friends, let's color a Christmas tree. Let's draw little swirls with green color. It's very simple and easy. Wow! Draw another line of pink color. It looks so cute and pretty. Now fill the bottom and top with red color. It's done.